Welcome children, Sairam. In today's class of EVS 1, we will continue with chapter number 3, Animal Shelters, part 7. In today's part, we will discuss questions and answers. So children, let us proceed with the questions. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words in the brackets. Okay, there are words in the brackets. You have to select the correct word and fill in the blank. The words are natural, cowshed, efforts, hyenas, stable, gaps, tailor, safe, hence, alike, thefts, shelter, honeycomb, ants. Now children, you must have learned the lesson. You must have gone through the videos, right? So now try to recollect whatever you have learned and answer the following questions. Okay? Now, the first fill in the blank. The nests of birds are not all. Try to answer children. Yes, you are right. Not all alike. Okay. So, alike is the correct answer. The nests of birds are not all alike. Next. Number 2. The dash bird is smaller than the sparrow. Now children, which bird is smaller than the sparrow? Yes, you are right. Tailor bird. The tailor bird is smaller than the sparrow. Next. Number 3. Some animals do not make any dash to build shelters for themselves. Now children, select the correct word. Yes, you're absolutely right. Efforts is the correct word. Some animals do not make any efforts to build shelters for themselves. Next. Number 4. Tigers, leopards and dash live in caves in mountains. Now identify the correct word children. Yes, C. Hyenas is the correct word. Okay. Tigers, leopards and hyenas live in caves in mountains. Next. Number 5. The shelter made for a horse is called a dash. Now children, select the correct word. Yes, the answer is stable. Stable is the correct word. The shelter made for a horse is called a stable. Next. Number 6. The house protects us from. Yes, thefts. The house protects us from thefts. Yes, the house protects us from thefts. Next. Number 7. Some animals simply look for a dash place for shelter. Yes. Safe. Some animals simply look for a safe place for shelter. Okay. Some animals simply look for a safe place for shelter. Next, number 8. Pigeons find shelter in the dash of the wall. Now children, identify the correct word. Yes, gaps is the correct word. Pigeons find shelter in the gaps of the wall. Next, number 9. The shelter built for dash is called chicken coop. Now children, select the correct answer. Yes, hens is the correct answer. The shelter built for hens is called chicken coop. Now next, number 10. A dash is built for cows. Children, what is built for cows? Yes, you are right. A cow shed. Okay. A cow shed is built for cows. Next, number 11. Let the animals live in their dash surroundings. Yes, you are right. Natural surrounding. Okay. Let the animals live in their natural surroundings. Now, next. Number 12. Animals build dash for themselves. Now, children, select the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is shelter. Okay. Animals build shelter for themselves. Next, number 13. Honeybee builds dash. Identify the correct answer. Yes, you are right. Honeybee builds honeycomb. Okay. Honeybee builds honeycomb. Is that clear? Next, number 14. Dash build ant hills. Now children, select the correct answer. Yes, ants. Ants build ant hills. Now children, let us proceed with the next question. Question number 2. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Children, here you have to read the statements carefully and state whether the statements are true or false. Okay. Number 1. Heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. Let me repeat again. Heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Heavy rains can cause us great discomfort is a correct statement, is a true statement. Okay. Next, number 2. Sparrow builds its nest on the highest of the branches. Let me repeat again. Sparrow builds its nest on the highest of the branches. Is this statement true? No, it is false. Sparrow builds its nest on the highest of the branches is a false statement. Okay. Next, number 3. Some bats live in the dark caverns in mountains. Let me repeat again. Some bats live in the dark caverns in mountains. Is this statement true? Yes, this statement is true. Some bats live in the dark caverns in mountains is a true statement. Next, number 4. Rats cannot dig holes into mud. Is this statement true? Let me repeat again. Rats cannot dig holes into mud. Children, is this statement true? No, this statement is false. Rats cannot dig holes into mud. This statement is false. So children, what is the correct statement? Yes, you are absolutely right. Rats can dig holes into mud is a true statement. Next, number 5. Some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings. Let me repeat again. Some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings. Is this statement true? Yes, this statement is true. Some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings is a true statement. Next, number 6. We provide shelter for our domestic animals. Let me repeat again. We provide shelter for our domestic animals. Children, is this statement correct? Is this statement true? Yes, you are right. This statement is true. We provide shelter for our domestic animals is a true statement. Now children, let us proceed with next question. Question number 3. Find the odd one out. Number 1. There are 4 options given over here. Okay. You have to find the odd one out. Number 1. Cold, sun, rains, food. Now children, identify the odd one out. Yes, you are right. The odd one is food. Okay. Next, number 2. Needles, grass, sticks, cotton. Now children, select the odd one out. Yes, you are right. The odd one out is needles. Okay. Next, number 3. Honeybee, tailor bird, sparrow, weaver bird. Children, find the odd one out. Yes, you are right. Honeybee is the odd one out. Honeybee is the odd one out. Next, number 4. Tiger, leopard, hyena, rabbit. Yes, you are right. Rabbit is the odd one out. Rabbit is the odd one out. Next, number 5. Coop, anthill, stable, cowshed. Now children, find the odd one out here. Yes, you are right. Anthill is the odd one out. Anthill is the odd one out. Okay. Now children, let us proceed with the next question. Question number 4. Name the animals who live in the given shelters. Now here shelters are given. You have to name the animals. Okay. Number 1. Nest on the thorny tree with branches hanging over the water. Let me repeat again. Nest on the thorny tree with branches hanging over the water. Now children, who lives in such type of nest? Yes, you are right. Weaver bird lives in this type of nest. Next, number 2. Shelter in the gaps in the walls. Now children, who lives in the gaps in the walls? Yes, dove. Dove lives in the shelter in the gaps in the walls. Next, number 3. Lives in cowshed. Children, who lives in cowshed? Yes, you are absolutely right. Buffalo. Buffalo lives in cowshed. Next, number 4. Nest built by stitching the leaves together. Now here, who builds nest by stitching the leaves together? Yes, you are right. Tailor bird is the correct answer. Tailor bird builds nest by stitching the leaves together. Now let us proceed with the next question. Question number 5. Answer in 1 or 2 words. Number 1. What are birds afraid of? Let me repeat again. What are birds afraid of? Yes, you are absolutely right. Birds are afraid of animals who eat their young ones. Okay? Birds are afraid of animals who eat their young ones. Next, number 2. Which tree is selected by the weaver bird to build the nest? Let me repeat again. Which tree is selected by the weaver bird to build the nest? Children, recollect the answer? Yes, you are right. Weaver bird chooses thorny trees near water to build the nest. Next, number 3. Whose shelter is honeycomb? Whose shelter is honeycomb? Yes, you are right. The answer is honeybees. Honeybee's shelter is honeycomb. Next, number 4. Who builds ant hills? Let me repeat again. Who builds ant hills? Yes, you are right. The answer is ants. Ants build ant hills. Okay. So children, thank you very much. So children, in the next part, we will continue with more questions and answers. Till then, Sai Ram.